I got my cooking hat on today. Recognize me? Today I'm going to make one of my favorite things in the pressure cooker, and I'm using the Instant Pot today. I'm going to make ham hocks with pinto beans and greens. Where's my greens? Here's my greens. Collard greens. Triple washed and ready to enjoy. These are so delicious. Just ask Jethro. We got these big ham hocks. These are 1 3/4 pounds each from Shady Maples Farmers Market up in Lancaster. Okay, so it's so easy. Come over. I'm going to show you how to do it. Can't wait to eat them. Open your musical tinkling lid. Hello, Instant Pot. Nice to see you again. I'm going to start with a little greens on the bottom. Mr. Green Greens. Use the whole bag. How much is that? 1 pound? Yeah, 1 pound. Good guesser. I'm just going to put a little bed of greens down there. That's all. Now, these ham hocks are smoked, which I could probably eat it just like that, couldn't I? But I like to put them under pressure and get the greens and the beans all infused in there. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Did you ever see one so big? Before I cooked 6 or 8 of them and they were little. They were like half that size. Put that down there. You can come over and peek inside now if you want. There's the second one. Beauty. Put it that way. Spoon just a little bit of minced garlic. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. There. And I might put some on top too because I love it. I'm going to put some beans right down right now, but I'm going to rinse this. This is olive oil. I'm going to put that on the top just to soften the greens a little more. Give it a little more flavor. These are Goya pinto beans. I already did this with raw beans, which is possible in the pressure cooker. It just takes a little longer. I'm going to drain off the bean juice right now. This is 1 pound and 13 ounces of beans. I'll get the bean juice out of there and rinse it with water. Oh, they smell so good. They sure do. I'm going to put most of the beans right here over the meat. I'm going to save a little bit for the top because I like mixing things up a little bit. See that? The rest of my greens go right on top. And what do you see at the end? These are going to cook down nicely. Put a little olive oil over the top. Okay, not too much. A little bit more of my minced garlic because I love it so much. And it loves me. The rest of the beans. Maybe put a little ground pepper in there, black pepper. It's salty enough. I don't even have to squash this down or anything because it's going to pressurize and you'll see it. It's going to be compacted. But I do need 2 cups of water as a general rule for all pressure cooker meals. And you know how long this is going to take? 20 wonderful smelling minutes because we might smell it once it builds up pressure. Tinkling lid. Make sure you're in pressure mode. Whatever kind of pressure cooker you have, this will work fine with. This is an 8-quart Instant Pot. I'm going to press meat and stew. Last time I did them with raw beans, I used the bean setting. But now we're doing meat. 60 minutes? No. I want to go 20 minutes. And there you go. Now, wasn't that easy? You're going to have a nice, delicious dinner for somebody or yourself. Did you ever have ham hocks? You got to have them. They're so good. We'll be back, okay? It's going to take 5-10 minutes for the pressure to build up. 20 minutes to count down, and then it's time to eat. So the pressure came up pretty quick. It's at 20 minutes, you see there? 19. Starting to smell really good. I'm going to have to taste these for you, so stick around. 1 minute remaining. Oh, I'm so glad. A nice, quick, easy meal. Just Starting to smell it, but when I release that pressure, I'm gonna smell it really good. Come on, Instant Pot. Look at them tomatoes. I should have threw some of them in there, huh? Could have. It's gonna be good just like it is, though, and healthy. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, right on. All right. I hear you. I'm on my way. Thank you. Release the pressure. Oh, delicious. Smells so good. We'll be back in 2 minutes when all this pressure's out, okay? Oh, smell it. Oh, sometimes I throw a towel over top just to protect my cabinets, but you don't have to do that. You move it out from underneath. All right, the pin dropped in the back, so I know all the pressure's out. I'm about ready to open it. If you want to see it, before me? Oh, that's a little warm. You look at it before I look at it. See how it all went down? And infused all that greens flavor and garlic and beans went into them delicious ham hocks. What's that? We got a delivery coming out there. You hear the beep beep? All right, let me get some tongs or something. Where should I get them out with? Tongs? Got a fancy eating plate just to taste it for you. Where is it? It's hiding. It's gonna be tender. So tender. Oh, look at that beautiful thing. That's beautiful. See how it shrank up off the bone a little bit? Get yourself a handful of greens and maybe a spoonful of beans. I don't think the tongs are going to do good on the beans, are they? Oh, they're coming out. See them? That's beautiful, isn't it? Gonna take a taste for you. Come over here. I got my eating hat on now, because you know it's time to eat. How rude. Take your hat off while you're eating. Look at this delicious meal here. 20-minute meal. Well, half hour. Counting everything. I wish you could smell it. Jethro would just pick that up by the bone and start munching on it, wouldn't he? Where do I start? Here we go. I'd like to eat it by the bone. Oh. And it's too hot, and I can't wait like always. The smoky flavor. The tenderness. Try some greens and beans. Why I lose weight eating like this? That's delicious. Always too hot and I never wait. That's just right. The flavor of the beans and the greens. Perfect texture. Garlic in there. The smokiness of the meat is all through the greens as well. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're going to try it yourself. And remember to check my pressure cooker playlist because I have 255 pressure cooker videos. 256 now. I'll put a link to my playlist there. And please subscribe. Click the button, it's free. Check all our great videos and eat with us every Friday night. We have a nice meal. And you can eat with us if you like to. We have a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Make some ham hocks, they're so good. I'll talk to you soon, alright? Have a nice day. Boink. Who wants one?